What is ESG? Let's dive into understanding ESG with an easy explanation. In today's world, doing business responsibly isn't optional, it's essential. That's where ESG comes in. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. It's a framework which is used to assess how responsibly an organization operates across three key dimensions. Environmental. This pillar asks, how does a company interact with the natural world? From carbon emissions and energy use to waste, water, and biodiversity, it's about minimizing harm and maximizing stewardship. Social. Here, we explore how a company treats people. Are employees safe, valued, and included? Does the company uplift communities, respect human rights, and foster equity? Social impact is about relationships with people and society. Governance. This is the backbone of trust. It's about leadership, transparency, and accountability. Are decisions made ethically? Is the board diverse and responsible? Governance ensures that purpose isn't just promised, it's practiced. Together, these three pillars, environmental, social, and governance, form the foundation of sustainable success. They guide companies to not just grow, but grow responsibly. Subscribe the channel Sustainability Plus for easy learning and building your career in ESG and sustainability. Happy learning! Like and share the video if you found the content useful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.